Let's walk through a 2-week web design project.
I'm Becky from Wild Horse Creative, and I'm a web and graphic designer for small businesses. It may seem like making a website in 2 weeks isn't possible. It's not easy, but with a little preparation ahead of time, it's totally doable. What you're seeing here is a welcome package. I send this to all my clients to show them exactly what's going to happen if they have any questions. Next is the web design questionnaire, where I learn more about their business and their design preferences. Next up is a guide for renaming your images for SEO optimization. Side note, if your images are not optimized on your website, you really need to rethink this because it really affects you showing up in search engines. Last up is my website copywriting guide, because writing the copy for your website is such a daunting task if you don't know what direction to go in. This all comes in a Google Drive folder once you've signed the proposal and made your first deposit. Next, I make mood boards for my client depending on the answers to the questionnaire and what we've talked about. These were 2 pretty different mood boards. The client went with mood board number 1. I then go on to work on other design assets, as I call them, things that are going to go on your website. This client already had a logo made up, and he kind of had a color palette, but I really solidified the color palette for him. I made up some other little pictures to go on the website, some graphics for backgrounds and such. I also make sure to send off my clients with exactly which color palette I used, which fonts I used on their website, and any other information that they might need in the future to keep their branding consistent. All of that takes up about the first week of web design, and spend the second week putting together your website. First, I design the homepage and send it over to make sure I have the vibes right, and then I build out the rest of the site. Building out the rest of the site looks like making sure all the buttons work, integrating any CRMs or email marketing you may have. Then I send it over to you for final approval before launch. And that's what a 2-week web design project looks like with me. Let me know if you have any questions and if you need a website.